Are you considering to start working as a project manager in consulting? Do you really feel supported by existing project management methodologies, or do you have an impression they are a bit over-engineered? Are you looking for a dedicated to-the-point guideline explaining how management of a consulting project works in practice? Then join this course and learn easy way what management of a consulting project is really all about. Hi, I am Eugen. All lectures of my course contain a condensed summary of best practices from more than 13 years of experience as a project manager across the globe. Supported by this guide, you will be able to quickly grasp the nature of a consulting project while saving significant amount of time, avoiding trial and error at the start of your career. Having passed this course, you will be lifted up to the experience level of your old hands colleagues. You will be able to see directly behind the scenes, which will save your time, enhance your performance, and boost your competitive advantage as a specialist in project management. This course will be taught from a case study perspective. We will be dealing with two companies, one acting as a contractor and another one acting as a client. Each party engages persons who interact with each other during each project stage. One of these persons will be our project manager. So your learning process will be supported by getting direct insights into his daily work. I will be glad to see you in my course. So enroll and get started.